Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Installer and Nokia is back again in India with the launch of the new Nokia 5.3 in India. It's a mid-range device from Nokia and we have been using the device for a couple of days now. And here's the unboxing of the device and the first experience of a device. So let's get started. So let's unbox the Nokia 5.3. This is the retail unit of the Nokia 5.3 with us. So let's unbox it and see what all does it have to offer. The first thing that we see inside the box is the smartphone itself. We have the charcoal black color variant of the Nokia 5.3 with us. It has a plastic back and has a matte texture at the back. It feels really good to hold in hand. The device has a plastic back but it does not feel cheap in any way. Next we have a silicone case inside the box and it's good to have a first party silicone case included inside the box. Next we have some documentation inside the box, some quick start guide and other useless documents. Next we have a standard earphones with us. These are not in-ear types but these are great to have inside the box. Next we have a USB Type-C cable to charge the device. It's a great quality cable. Next we have a wall adapter to charge the device. This is the 10-watt standard adapter with us and there is no fast charging included inside the box. So that's it for the unboxing experience of the Nokia 5.3. So let's turn on the device and see what all does it have to offer and let's discuss the specs as well of the device. Okay, so let's talk specifications of the Nokia 5.3. In terms of display at the front, it has a 6.55 inches display. It's an HD plus display which has a resolution of 720 pixels and it has a water drop notch at the top to house the selfie camera. And in terms of RAM, it has a 4 gigabits of RAM and 64 gigabits of internal storage. It has a triple SIM card slot where 2 can be used to house SIM cards and 1 can be used to house the SD card. And in terms of software, it's powered by Android 10 out of the box and it would be upgradable to Android 11 when it comes out. And the Nokia is also offering 3 years of security updates and 2 years of major upgrades with the device. So talking about the cameras at the back, that's the main highlight of the device. It has a quad camera setup at the back. The main primary camera is a 13 megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. There's a secondary 5 megapixel ultra wide angle that has a field of view of 118 degrees. There's a 2 megapixel of macro camera to capture those macro shots, and there's another fourth depth sensor. That's a 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front we have a 8 megapixel of selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. There's a night mode, there's a portrait mode and a lot many modes inside the camera. So that's all about the camera of the device. So we will do an in-depth review of the device in terms of camera and all other aspects as well. So let's move to the next aspect. So let's talk about the software of the device. So the Nokia 5.3 offers a great software experience and it's almost next to stock Android experience that you get out of the device. The device features a native dark mode that can be enabled from the display settings and you can have an overall dark theme on your device. So the Nokia 5.3 also features a lot many gestures to control your device. For example, there's a feature in which you can pull down the fingerprint sensor to drop down the notifications. There's also another gesture where you can double press the power button to jump into the camera, and you can also double tap on the display to check your device when it's locked up. And there's also a dedicated Google Assistant button on the left hand side. So there's a lot many smart features on this device that can come handy when using a device. Okay, to sum up, the Nokia 5.3 is a great build device. It has a plastic build, but it feels really good to hold in hand. The color that we have with us is a charcoal black color, and we really like the device as of now. We are still reviewing it, and we'll review the device, and the review will come down on our blog very soon. The pricing and availability of the device is yet unknown at the time of making of this video. So stay tuned for our official website to check out the pricing and other details of the device. So this was Akhil from Installer. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more such videos, and you can subscribe to get some more videos like this. Thank you for watching.